If the new joint venture Bugatti Rimac wants to say that the W16 will disappear, it is still there. Bugatti took the opportunity to use it again with the new Mistral, an ultimate roadster. A windy W16. Does that inspire you? We do. It's probably one of the best ways to appreciate the terrifying sound of a W16. This is precisely what the Alsatian firm has just unveiled through the W16 Mistral. Besides, we must take advantage of it since this is the last time that the W16 will be installed under the hood of a road Bugatti. This is in any case what the CEO of Bugatti Rimac, Mate Rimac, has just announced. If the Chiron had not yet been entitled to a roadster version, it is now done. The launch of the W16 Mistral is therefore in line with this and meets the very strong demand of our customers who are looking for a whole new way to experience the exceptional performance of our iconic engine. This Mistral comes with the most advanced version of the 8.0-liter W16 engine. This makes 1,600 horsepower and has already been used under the hood of the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. A priori, with such a heart, the Mistral could well be the most extreme roadster in the world, even if the Hennessy Venom F5 Roadster could well attract some equally wealthy customers, but more in search of sportiness than luxury. You think it's zero? Although largely based on the technical basis of the Chiron, the monohull of the W16 Mistral was not simply cut to open the roof. It has been redesigned and redesigned to give birth to a very different look without compromising the performance of the car. We know that the W16 Mistral will always have an important place in the history of Bugatti, because it marks a turning point. With it, it is the last time that the biggest engine in the history of the car is used in a production car. As designers, we were under a lot of pressure to come up with a style that instantly reflects this historic character while drawing inspiration from some of the most beautiful roadsters in the history of Bugatti. One of the sources of inspiration of this Mistral is the Type 57 Roadster Grand Raid of 1934, and that's why it is presented with this two-tone livery, a warm black with hints of brown truffle and subtle yellow accents. For the rest, the look is rather modern with the two front with horizontal LED bars superimposed. At the rear it's the same. The wide band of cross-shaped lights at the ends is reminiscent of the very recent Bullite. And it's not surprising, the W16 Mistral will certainly try to break records, so it has to take sports DNA to the maximum.